going to look at some photos I took with this Minolta X-700. It's a 35mm film camera, DSLR, introduced in 1981. Used a roll of Fuji 200. The camera features a manual mode, aperture priority, and their automatic mode is called program mode. The lens I used is a Vivitar 28 to 90mm. And now let's look at some photos. None of these photos have been edited in any way. These are just scans that my processor scanned for me directly from the negatives. I like the bright reds that these Fuji films bring out. Cat photo, mandatory. Really like the depth of field this lens brought. And overall, I've been enjoying using these Fuji films for these camera tests. I'm sure I could have done a little better with some of these exposures, but again, I used the program mode on this camera. Got some great lens flare in a couple of these. But overall, it was a easy camera to use. If you find one, if you're looking at exploring them, I would recommend it. Thanks for looking at these with me. If you enjoy film and film cameras, please come back as we have some instant cameras and some more 35mm cameras to look at.